Welcome back to my hustling crib. In my previous videos, I've been sharing with you small business ideas that you can start in Nigeria, and I gave you guys a lot of ideas. We can start with little or no capital. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you 17 tips on how to run a successful business in Nigeria. So if you're having fear or you're having doubts on how you're going to run your small business, or would you like to run a small business, just watch and see the 17 tips I'm going to be sharing with you on how to run your business successfully so that your business will not run down. Number one is write your ideas down. Do you have ideas in your mind on the kind of things you should do to improve your business? Don't sleep on it. Write it down. The reason why you have to write your ideas down is because can easily forget. Some other things can come and fill up your mind, and you can easily forget. So for you not to do that, when any idea comes or you learn something new, you should just write it down so that when you are less busy, you can make reference to it and apply those in your business. Now let's move to number two. Number two is you should meet with your local small business development center. You know, the seminars that they have concerning business, or anyway they teach things concerning business, it is very important for you to attend these business centers once in a while. You can meet your potential customers there, and they'll give you advices and counseling on how to run a successful business. So the reason is because those people on those small local business centers, they are experienced, they are talking from experience. They're going to share with you some of the things they have learned over time, how to deal with customers, how to deal with employees and others. So once in a while you should try to meet with your local business small development center. Now let's move to number three. The third one is you should identify your customer base. Who are your target audience? Who are your potential customers? Who are your customers? What do they want? What are you bringing to them? You have to answer these questions by yourself before you can think of how to grow your business, because your customers make the foundation of your business. It is what you are able to gather, the kind of numbers you have gathered in your customers, that will determine the growth. Your clients, if you are selling stuff or if you are rendering service, the numbers of customers or clients you have will determine the growth of your business so far. So you should try to identify your customer base, ask questions. What do they need? What would they be needing? How do you intend to satisfy your customers? That is the key word there. Now let's move to the fourth one. The fourth one is you should outline your finances. Ask key questions about your business's fiduciary growth. Your sales girl, your manager, your employee, ask questions. Are they being effective in their job? Because if you just leave them to do whatever they like, they may not take the work seriously, and thereby running down your business. So you as the business owner, you need to be up your game. You need to do the things that you have to do, because if you don't do it and you leave the business in negligence, it's just going to run down. Be focused on your employees. Make sure they are productive. Make sure your business is giving you money. That is the most important thing. Number five is you should project your business growth. What do I mean by you should project your business growth? Now let me tell you, the growth of your business is completely dependent on the growth of your customer base and the growth of the stability of your product over the first few years of your business. So you should project your business in such a way that it should be expandable. It should be ready for any kind of growth that's coming at a particular time. Because when you start a business, you should know that you're going to get customers from different spheres of the world, different angles, online, offline. You may be in Abuja and you're going to get customers in Lagos, for example. So how do you intend to deliver goods from Abuja to Lagos? This is what I mean, that you should project your business growth, your customer growth, your productivity growth in general. You should have that in mind and improve on it. Now let's move to number six. Number six is you should make your bank work for you. Now banks, financial institutions, they have different benefits that they render to small business owners. So you should plan to discover this and exploit them and make them be beneficial to your business. So make sure to also consider the interest rate. Assuming they are giving you loan or they are giving you business grants, you should Also learn to know the good side and the bad side of it, so that you don't fall victim of these banks who are trying to make money off small business owners. Okay, now let's move to number 7. Number 7, it's kind of tied to number 6. Number 7 is secure a loan. Now if you think your business need money, need extra capital, or need extra money to be invested into the business, you should look for a way to secure a loan. But like I said before, look out for the interest rates. It should be favorable to you, so that in the long run the business will not run down. So if you think your business needs money or more investment, you should look for a way to secure a loan. Now let's move to number 8. Number 8 tips on how to run a small business is you should manage your inventory carefully and efficiently. What do I mean by that? Now you have invested money, you paid for rent, you paid for furniture, you paid for the goods. What you want to do is you have to give account, you have to manage it carefully and be very careful with it, so that you can give account and maximize every naira, every kobo, every dollars you have invested into that business. Now let's move to number 9. I'm sorry, let's move to number 9. For number 9 is you should consider hiring a professional. It will be beneficial to your business if you can hire someone who has experience, or maybe someone to handle the financial accountability for your business. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you should handle cash or handle money to the person you're hiring, but the person should be able to account for everything, every sales, every payment that is going on in your business. This will help you in a long way, especially if you are very busy or you have multiple businesses to handle at the same time. So what you have to do is get someone that will be accountable to you, accountable to your business, and the person don't have to handle cash. All you have to do is get a book, like to get daily expenses and the rest. Meanwhile, whatever payments that is going to be made in your business is coming straight to your account for you to be able to monitor it. So considering to hire a professional, it's going to be very, very beneficial to your business. Now let's move to number 10. 10th important thing to do to run a successful business is you should register your business and get all the government approved license to run a business. Especially if you are in Nigeria, you don't want all these government officials to harass you, or you don't want anything like law case or court case or something to disturb your business. All you have to do is register your business. Whatever payment you have to make, you should try to do that. Don't consider I run business from home or I run a small scale business. There are different amounts, whether you're having a small scale business or a large scale business. You should consider registering your business. It is very important that you register your business and get all the government approved licenses, including receipts of any payments that you have made. Now let's move to the 11th one. For number 11, it is you should stay organized. Yes, organization is very important to successfully run a small business. Organize your time, your finances, and your business. You should not mix business with pleasure, like we always say. You should know when it's time for family, when it's time for business. Don't involve family in business sometimes, because there will be too much of familiarity and they tend to not take your business serious compared to when they are working for other people. So you should be organized, do the right thing at the right time for your business to grow successfully. Now let's move to the 12th tips on how to run a successful business. Number 12, delegate responsibilities. It is very important for you to delegate responsibilities and jobs to qualified employees, because you are not a machine, you're not a robot. You can't handle a lot of things at the same time. So if you have the means to pay someone, you have the ability to employ someone to your small business, you should delegate responsibilities to qualified employees only. Now let's move to the next one. Number 13, employee targeting, promotional and marketing campaign for your business. You know, when you make profit from business, you shouldn't just invest the whole profit or eat the whole profit. You should look for a way to make that profit work for you, and for you to be able to reach out to more potential customers or new customers. All you have to do is take a percentage of your profits and use it for advertisement. There are a lot of ways to run advertisement these days. Marketing, there are a lot of ways to do it. So you should consider marketing your business so that you can reach a broader audience for it that will be able to be your potential customers and for you to make more profits. Let's move to the next one. 14, you should network as much as possible. Networking with other small business owners in your location, outside your location, is very good for the growth of your business, because they tend to give you advices, or you tend to connect more with people, and there will be room for expansion. So try to connect with people, make friends, make business friends, and grow your business from doing that. Let's move to number 15. Number 15 is offer references. Let people refer you. Let people tell their friends and families about your business. This way it is bringing room for expansion, because these people can turn out to be your new customers. You should also request for feedback and reviews. If you sell a product to someone, ask for review, ask for feedback. This feedback is what you will compile to sell out to other potential customers that don't know about you, that want to buy your stuff. So when they see the feedback, the reviews on a previous stuff bought by someone, they can trust your brand more. Now for number 16, it is be accessible. Add your email, your address, your location, your phone number, your business name. Put it on website, put it on Facebook, open a Facebook page, open Instagram. Just be accessible. This will bring in more trust from potential buyers and clients. So try to be accessible. Let people message you, reply your mails, reply your comments. It is very important. Be accessible, be friendly. And now let's talk about number 16. Number 17, which is the last one. It says deliver what you promise. Don't come and be doing like this online vendors that we have in Nigeria. They will advertise something else and they will deliver a very inferior quality to you. It is very wrong. Try to build credibility, accountability, and trust for your brand. So what you have to do is satisfy your customers. Deliver what you promise. Don't deliver what they want. Deliver what you promise them, so that they can come back for more next time. So that is the wrap. So in conclusion, I want you to know that Rome wasn't built in a day. You should be consistent, do your best, offer what you can offer, and be prayerful at the same time. Just be consistent, continue doing what you can do, and watch your business grow. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm bringing you more educative and important videos on how to grow your business ideas, and how to succeed generally financially. See you guys on my next video. Bye.